Hi, I'm Joey Gabardo with Classic Honda of Midland, and today I want to show you our 2021 GMC Sierra Denali 2500 Duramax with an Ultimate package. Let's walk some of the features around this amazing truck. So before we get started with this walk around, I just want to inform you that this vehicle will be available for sale this fall. So I'm going to go through basically what Rogue Dent Repair has done to this vehicle. So as you can see, this is a 2021 GMC Sierra Denali 2500 Duramax. It's done in beautiful cayenne red. And again, Denali is their top premium tier package. So it's always going to come with a lot of chrome. And I'm not a big fan of chrome, so Rogue Dent Repair, they came in and did a lot of customization. So we're going to start in the front to incorporate more of the headlight system into the body to match all of the black. We've blacked out the headlights, okay, and as you can see here, all the chrome fittings around that were chrome on the vehicle were converted to black. The chrome tow hooks were converted to match the same color as the body in the cayenne red. And if you look at the grille, the GMC was painted, color-coded and matched to the exterior color of the car, which is a cayenne red. And the grille was converted to black from chrome. And if you look behind, they got really into detail here. Behind the grille, it's a two-piece grille. They color matched it to the body of the vehicle with the black over it, so it looks really good from the road. It looks like, you know, something that no one has out there. And then they match the rest of this with the body color. This vehicle also comes equipped with a Bds Lift. That's the lift that we prefer. We feel it's the best package out there. And with the 6-inch Bds Lift, you'll get the Fox suspension. This is a 38-inch tires, which actually raise the vehicle probably about 1/4 of an inch. So it gives it a lot bigger, wider stance, and it actually rides better as well. So if you look here, normally from the factory, these Fender Flares right here, they're not flares, but these fenders come in black. So Rogue Dent Repair went in, they sanded them down, and then they painted them to match the body of the car. And the side marker lights that come in yellow, they went ahead and blacked those out to give it a little bit more even distribution with the vehicle. The badging on the vehicle, this comes in chrome and this comes in black. We went ahead and blacked out the Duramax with the Allison transmission badge, and then we color matched the outer chrome part to match the body of the vehicle. And if you look on the side view mirror, this piece right here normally comes in chrome, and we went ahead and body matched that too. As you can see, the Denali on the side, that normally comes in chrome. We went ahead and ordered black badging for it to match the rest of the vehicle. All the chrome weather stripping around the vehicle has been converted from chrome to black. The door handles that come in chrome, we went ahead and color matched that to the body of the vehicle. And again, part of our lift package. As we come around to the rear of the vehicle, again, to get the black accents to match the paint. What I really like about this is we've got the new BMW hitch, 7-inch drop. You can see it's angled right here. So now, when you convert the tailgate fully down, so as you can see, these are all the cool things that Rogue Dent Repair has done to this wonderful truck. Come on down and see us and customize your vehicle, 3705 West Wall Street, or visit us on the web at classichondaofmidland.com.